What's good, y'all? Welcome to the candy shop. I am OG Poppy, and I will be unboxing the CNC pen style tattoo machine. So let's get right to it. I've been hearing a lot about this, and y'all know I like my, you know what I'm saying, I like my bishops, you know what I'm saying? So for me to switch over to something new is like totally out the way. But if you don't change with the times will change on you. So I ordered up two of them. That's Texas for two of them. The CNC, Allen wrenches and an extra band. Comes in a nice little furry bag with that Crown Royal. All right. Not too heavy, that's what I like, not too heavy. Got some grips. Get this out. Get to the clip cord. Clip cord is kind of heavyweight, good quality. The problem tattoo artists have with stuff being made in China, but you know, I don't have those issues, but other artists do. But some of your phones is made in China, so I don't know why you're griping about it. Yeah, nice lightweight. Let me plug it in, see what it sounds like. Ooh. And that's running at 8.7, 8.5, 8. Yeah, that's nice. Nice and light. Let me throw a cart. Let me see how I feel with a cart. Nice, CNC. I'm gonna tap with this and I'll show you what I think when I tap with it. Either I'm gonna throw it in the pile of shit that I already got in the trash heap, or I'm gonna actually use it. It's got a nice stroke. It backs off just a little, but it's not chewy. Nice and stiff, especially when you shave. I'm fucking this nail up, but just to show y'all what it is. All right, that's my unboxing. Of the CNC, and I'll do a review later on how it actually hits and works. The grenade. Hit me up, OG Poppy, Instagram and Facebook.